ever pondered over the crucial roles the vagina plays in both reproduction and sexuality? This fascinating organ is an integral part of the female reproductive system and plays significant roles in both reproduction and sexuality. It's a complex structure with multiple functions that are essential to life and pleasure. Let's delve into the basics. The vagina is a muscular canal that extends from the vulva, which is the outside of the female genital area, to the cervix, the lower part of the uterus. It's a flexible passageway that serves various purposes in the female reproductive system, and it's closely tied to functions of sexuality. In terms of reproduction, the vagina serves as the conduit to the uterus, the womb where a baby grows. It's through this passage that sperm travel to meet an egg and potentially create a new life. The vagina also facilitates the menstrual cycle, allowing for the expulsion of blood and tissues when the uterine lining sheds each month. But the vagina's role isn't limited to reproduction. It's also integral to sexual function. During sexual intercourse, the vagina can expand to accommodate penetration, becoming moist to facilitate comfortable and pleasurable sexual activity. It's also in the vagina that the rhythmic contractions occur during orgasm, heightening sexual pleasure. Yet despite its crucial roles, the vagina is often misunderstood or stigmatized, leading to misinformation and potential health risks. That's why it's so important to understand this vital organ and take care of it properly. Proper hygiene, regular health checkups, and safe sexual practices are key to maintaining vaginal health and overall well-being. So as we see, the vagina is not just another organ, but a vital component of both reproduction and sexuality. Its multifaceted roles make it a subject of great interest and importance. By understanding and appreciating its functions, we can promote better health, more satisfying sexual experiences, and a deeper understanding of the female body. It's not just about biology, it's about respect, care, and empowerment. And how does the vagina contribute to reproduction, you may ask? Well, the vagina is an essential player in the grand game of reproduction. Its primary role is to serve as a conduit, a passage, if you will, that connects the external environment to the internal reproductive organs. This passage is vital for the implantation of a fertilized egg into the uterus, marking the genesis of pregnancy. Imagine a fertilized egg, a tiny speck of life, journeying from the fallopian tubes into the womb. The vagina plays a crucial role in this process, offering a safe passageway for the egg to make its voyage into the uterus. Once the egg nestles comfortably in the uterine lining, it begins to grow and develop, transforming into an embryo, a fetus, and eventually a baby. But the vagina's role in reproduction doesn't stop at implantation. It also serves as an exit route for the monthly menstrual cycle. When pregnancy doesn't occur, the uterus sheds its lining, resulting in the expulsion of blood and tissues through the vagina. This menstrual cycle is a natural process that prepares the body for potential pregnancy every month. And when the 9-month journey of pregnancy culminates, the vagina takes center stage once again. It transforms into a birth canal, stretching and expanding to allow the passage of the baby into the world. This miraculous process of childbirth is both a testament to the vagina's flexibility and its vital role in reproduction. Lastly, it's worth noting that the vagina also has an indirect role in reproduction. During sexual intercourse, it provides a passage for the penis and subsequently the sperm, setting the stage for the possibility of fertilization and the start of a new life. Thus, from conception to childbirth, the vagina plays a pivotal role in the reproductive process. It's not just a conduit, but a dynamic organ that actively participates in the fascinating cycle of life. Now let's dive into the sexual functions of the vagina. The vagina is not only a conduit for reproduction, but also plays a significant role in sexual pleasure. During sexual arousal, the vagina undergoes certain changes to facilitate comfortable sexual activity. It becomes moist, providing the necessary lubrication for sexual penetration. This natural lubrication is an important physiological response, making intimate encounters more enjoyable and less likely to cause discomfort or injury. In addition, the vagina expands or tenses during arousal, providing ample space for the penis, and there's more to it. The vagina also plays a key role during orgasm, the climax of sexual pleasure. During this intensely pleasurable moment, the muscles of the vagina rhythmically contract, enhancing the sensations experienced. So the vagina isn't just about reproduction, it's also a key player in sexual pleasure. Understanding these functions can lead to more satisfying and safe sexual experiences, contributing to overall sexual health. Let's talk about vaginal health. Why is it important? Well, just like any part of your body, your vagina needs care and attention to stay healthy. Firstly, maintaining good vaginal hygiene is crucial. This includes regular washing with warm water and gentle, unscented soaps. Avoiding douching is also important as it can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria in the vagina, leading to infections. When this balance is maintained, it can help ward off various infections, including yeast infections and bacterial vaginosis. Secondly, regular health checkups are key. These checkups can help catch early signs of infections, sexually transmitted diseases, or other health issues. They provide an opportunity to discuss any concerns you may have and get advice tailored to your specific health needs. Vaginal health is not just about preventing infections, though. It's also about sexual health. Comfortable and pleasurable sexual activity is closely linked to vaginal health. This includes natural lubrication during sexual arousal and the ability of the vagina to stretch and contract. Lastly, vaginal health is a key component of overall well-being. It affects your menstrual cycle, childbirth, sexual activity, and more. It's not an isolated part of your body, but an integral part of your overall health. It might seem like a lot, but remember, taking care of your vaginal health is a form of self-care and self-respect. It's about acknowledging and honoring the important role your vagina plays in your life. Remember, your vaginal health is an integral part of your overall health. What role does understanding the vagina play in our sexual health and education? Sexual education, often glossed over or hidden behind stigma and taboo, is in fact a cornerstone of our well-being. One cannot overstate the immense importance of understanding the vagina and its functions in this context. It is more than just a physical entity. It is closely intertwined with a woman's overall health, sexuality, and reproductive capabilities. Knowing about the vagina and its functions can pave the way for informed and safe sexual practices. For instance, understanding that the vagina expands and becomes moist during sexual arousal can lead to more comfortable and consensual sexual experiences. Similarly, recognizing the vagina's role in the menstrual cycle and childbirth can foster a deeper appreciation for the complexities of the female body. Moreover, a clear understanding of the vagina can help in recognizing signs of potential health issues. It can guide individuals in maintaining proper hygiene, thus reducing the risk of infections. It also promotes open discussions about sexual health, breaking down barriers of embarrassment or misinformation that can often lead to neglect or misuse. In the larger context, comprehensive sexual education, including the understanding of the vagina, can contribute to healthier relationships, improved self-esteem, and a more balanced approach to sexuality. It empowers individuals to make informed choices about their bodies and their sexual health. Therefore, a healthy understanding of the vagina is essential for maintaining sexual health and reproductive processes.